Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with Reviews About Anything, and today I have the silicone cover with S Pen for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. As some of you may know, I upgraded from my Note 10 Plus to the Samsung S21 Ultra. When I did that upgrade, I also did the pre-order, so I did get some money to help go towards accessories and stuff. And this package was pretty hard to resist. The pen plus the cover was free because I had the promotion. So I got this because I think I will miss the pen. I do use it occasionally to jot down notes and stuff like that at work. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about the silicone case. I haven't been a huge fan of silicone cases in the past, so we'll see. But since I got it for free, it's not a huge deal to me. The pen is really what more I'm concerned about. Also, adding that extra width to the phone might be a concern as well. I did already look it up. There are a couple of companies that are making cases that fit the S Pen here. So we'll see. If I don't like this case, I'll probably get one of those. Maybe I saw Spigen had one. I think some other companies are working on it as well. So all we have, it looks like, is this plastic band around it. And then lift it up. Here we have the case. And on the other side, the pen. Pen feels very nice. The pen feels very, very nice. And then in here, looks like we have our little quick start guide and warranty information. Then we have our extra tips and our tip puller, which is nice. I've never worn down a tip. Like I said, I do use this some, but I also have never met someone that's worn down the tip on a Galaxy pen, but you know, we'll see. So has your one button, and it's longer, which I like. Feels good in the hand. It's a little bit thicker and bigger overall, so that's nice. Goes in, just clicks in like that. The silicone doesn't feel horrible. It's not as grippy as silicone used to be. So this might be a different type of silicone. It also has a hard plastic insert here for it. So I will grab my two phones so we can compare this here. And it'll be interesting to look at the pen side by side too. So here we have my Note, as you can see. And here we have my Galaxy S21 Ultra. So if we zoom out here a little bit. I'll put this into the case. Fits pretty well. So now we have them side by side. You can kind of see the size difference here. This isn't comparing these two phones, but just so you can see what it's like. The Note is a bit wider than the S21 Ultra, but with that case, it makes the S21 Ultra a little bit wider. So maybe the aftermarket cases might be able to make this a bit slimmer, which would be nice. But let's compare the pens here. That's the important part. So here's that pen. And here is the new pen. So as you can see, there's a pretty decent difference between the two here. So the new pen is a decent chunk longer. Looks like about in between quarter and a half inch longer. It is also sizably thicker. Feels not quite twice the thickness, but probably about a third, maybe a quarter thicker. So has a little bit more weight to it as well. They both have the single button. The single button's bigger on the bigger pen. And they both work, which is nice. So I'll see, over time as I start, writing with both, see which one I like better. but I'm not sure quite yet. I think I'm gonna like the new one better because it's bigger. I have relatively large hands, so I think this is gonna be, gonna be a nice upgrade. Because like I said, I do not use it all the time, so it will be interesting to see. So to look at the case though, you got that little bit of extra on the side because of the pocket for the pen. You have your openings for the microphone and the USB-C, your speaker. On the back, you have a little bit of a raise here for the camera bump, and it's of course protected with the silicone case. And you have your raised side parts for your up and down volume, your power button. Here on the top, you have your holes for the microphones. So overall, the case feels nice. I'm interested if this is going to stick in my pocket or not. That's really the one thing I'm worried about. Silicone cases usually stick in your pocket and get covered in a lot of crap from inside your pocket, lint, and other things. So we'll see how this fares over time. And like I said, if I really hate it, I'll probably just end up buying one of the other cases, aftermarket cases, that holds the S Pen. I know Spigen does it, and I'm guessing some other people are working on it as well. So if you guys have any questions or want to see, specific things with the pen, just let me know. Yeah, any comments, leave them in the comment section down below as well. And that's it. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.